Hello, my name is Lino Tadros, and I'm the founder and principal architect at The Training Boss, one of the four partners that form the Proven Alliance in pursuit of excellence in Sitefinity customer satisfaction. I've been working with Sitefinity for almost 20 years and helped architect and implement over 350 plus Sitefinity-based applications over the span of that time very successfully. I've been the official trainer on Sitefinity for Progress Corporation for the last 15 years, offering 7 different training classes for content editors, for administrators, for designers, and for developers. I also offer consulting on architecture and security overviews for entire Sitefinity-based solutions as well. I've been awarded the Microsoft MVP and Microsoft Regional Director Awards for the last 22 years by Microsoft, and have been involved with the growth of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and generative AI for the last 10 years. My current appointment to the advisory board of Sitefinity and Sitefinity Insight allows me to help Progress and Sitefinity fill the industry gap for an excellent CMS system that meets tomorrow's needs. With the help of the members of the Proven Alliance, I'm convinced that we can offer a full-service architecture, development, usability, marketing, deployment, and training to our customers worldwide. Hope to get a chance to speak with you regarding your next Sitefinity-based project.